we want to do a print head cleaning. Now we'll get an arrow. We can to do print. We can't to do a head cleaning right now, and the printer that gets the both lighting. That means that maintenance tank get the fully. Okay, now we should be use a tool, the chip resetter, to get the reset chip. Okay, let's see. See, this one already the empty. Only the detail of the chip is get running fully. All the waste ink is run to the waste ink bottle. Okay, now let's only have 7 points. Get point to point. Okay. Now, after the light change to green, this should be reset. Install back. And restore the printer again. Turn on. Now searching the Wi-Fi. Now the printer should be ready. We can try to get the head cleaning again. Now just click store. The printer should be get cleaning right now. So we are rest the maintenance chip already.